Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a way in which you can whitelist your IDOs. So IDOs means initial DEX offering. This is like a fundraising for various cryptocurrency projects. So it's called DEX offering, initial DEX offering, wherein the token is distributed through a decentralized liquidity exchange that uses liquidity pool to allow traders to swap tokens. So various cryptocurrency projects launch in the market. So when these projects launch, then some of the initial investors are given the opportunity to buy these projects for a very low amount, but they are high worth investors. Normal people may not be able to invest in that kind of private sales, but they have a small portion of tokens which is given as for these IDOs for promotions. So in that case, what they do is, if you whitelist your IDO, that means if you satisfy various criteria that is been put forward by various IDO offerings, then you will become eligible to purchase these what you call tokens for that same amount, almost the same amount that was available during the private sale. But it may not be a large amount. It will be like $100 or $200 or a very small amount, where you have to pay that amount and you can get that token before anyone else. So once this list in various platforms like exchanges like Binance and other platforms, it might even do 100 times from that initial DEX offering price. So that is where people run behind these IDOs. So this is a platform called whitelistidos.com, where you can see all the various IDO projects, and it will show you what are the things you need to whitelist this. So I'll open a few of it to show you how it works. So you can see this: to buy MetaRun and NFT marketplace, and to play an endless runner game. So you have to stake OXS, which is another cryptocurrency, before this date, and link that BSC address using that BSC Solana link. So that is what you need to do whitelisting for this. And similarly, there are other projects. It has its own ways. Some of them even ask you to like their Telegram, join their Telegram group and things like that. So here it is asking for something similar. So this one, it is asking for no need to fill out the form to confirm the staking. Each idea will have its own registration form. It's like a guaranteed allocation. So this one again, it has a set of to participate in this, you should do the following: register on Bullstarter, then complete your customer form, complete all the tasks below. So this is another one. So I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.